Hi students, this is Alex here. In the problem, standard deviation of a sample of size 50 is 6.3. So sample size is 50. That's n. Sample standard deviation is 6.3. That's determine the standard error. Population standard deviation is 6. So population standard deviation sigma equal to 6. This is use standard error formula root of sigma square by 2n. So this is root of sigma square 6 square divided by 2n 2 into 50. Now standard error value is numerator 36 denominator 100 full within the root. This root is 6 by 10 which is nothing but 0.6.